Hello and welcome. Now, before getting into the specifics of this course, it's going to be necessary to establish a working definition of a sales funnel. Now, if you visualize how a funnel works, wide at the top, narrow at the bottom, you'll be able to understand the basic idea. A sales funnel captures a massive number of people into an opt-in or a very low-priced product. Then, through subsequent marketing efforts, some of those customers are asked to purchase more specific benefits at higher price points. Now, as a marketer, you are creating different offers after the initial offer to move buyers deeper into your own sales funnel. Now, funnel can be executed within one launch at one point in time, which is called a vertical funnel. In other words, the buyer sees different offers after the first one to entice them to move deeper into the funnel. Information marketers have traditionally called these OTOs, which stands for one-time offers. However, now rarely these offers are presented as one-time events. They're typically presented as unique opportunities with some kind of scarcity attached to them. At the same time, a funnel can be executed over a period of time, and that's called horizontal funnels. Now, this course will focus on the launch funnel, where offers are shown one on top of the other after the buyer makes their first purchase, or a vertical funnel. Now, this course will demonstrate the steps you need to take to make sure you have a sales or launch funnel that is effective in maximizing your profit and leaks as few of your prospects and customers as possible. Now, a fully constructed sales funnel can get you the maximum profit and sales conversions from your launches and your regular business. So why are funnels important? Well, funnels definitely influence your profit. So the more people that you can move into the products that they will want for themselves that are related to their initial purchase, you'll make more for every launch. A well-constructed funnel will influence your earnings per click, and that will influence the participation that JVs will want to take with your particular launch. And as a result of that JV participation, they will enhance your reputation in the industry. There are going to be two concerns of this course. First, that your sales funnel is theoretically correct and efficient. Second, that it is fully formed to get as many customers deeper into your marketing funnel as possible. Now, with respect to the first major concern of the course, we will review the theory in the next video and discuss the theory behind an efficient structure of a launch sales funnel. After that, the course will then focus on the second major concern of the course elements of setting up a complete sales funnel in the remaining videos. That means adding all of the right components that can lead to more sales and then move more buyers into the funnel. So after the funnel fundamentals in video 2, the course will review sales page creation systems in video 3. Video 4 will discuss setting up branding and templates based on the theory. In video 5, you'll see how to set up an automated email at the point of sale. In video 6, you'll see how to create affiliate tools to match your offer. In video 7, you'll see a demonstration of remaking PDF and tutorial offers. In video 8, we'll review the thank you page for your offer. In video 9, we'll review the elements of a successful thank you page. In video 10, we'll implement an exit pop link. In video 11, we'll demonstrate how you'll collect leads during your launch. In video 12, we'll review the way to set up your upsell PayPal buttons. In video 13, we'll demonstrate how and why you need to have autoresponder follow-ups in place. In video 14, we'll demonstrate the basic social media setups and how to move your customers and prospects into your account. In video 15, we'll conclude by discussing the why of these elements and how they complete your funnel. Now, the goal of the course is that you'd be able to create a complete funnel and know why you're implementing each element. In this way, you'll be able to deviate from the fundamentals when you feel it is necessary. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.